I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in materials and placing the first small orders so you can iterate fast. Choose vinyl or clear polyester for durability and order 5,200 samples to test ink adhesion and lamination. Next, buy a reliable printer, inkjet with pigment inks for crisp color or eco-solvent for weather resistance, and add a desktop cutter for precision. Once done, set up a simple workflow, design file naming, color profiles, and batch sizes so you can reproduce results without guesswork. You now establish a repeatable production workflow that saves time and reduces waste. Start with standardized templates, bleed, cut lines, and safe zones, and export at 300 dpi as SVG or PNG. Use ICC profiles and print proofs so colors match customer expectations. Light, fast inks prevent fading. For cutting, add registration marks and run test cuts to dial in speed and blade depth. Once those parameters are fixed, build batch run sheets and a QA checklist, and make sure to log settings for every job. You finish by preparing listings, shipping, and a basic marketing plan so customers can buy immediately. Price each SKU by calculating costs plus your desired margin, and display production lead times and shipping tiers transparently. Create product photos, mock-ups, SEO-rich descriptions, and run targeted social ads to drive traffic. If problems appear, smudging, miscuts, or color shifts, check ink curing, replace worn blades, and rerun ICC calibration. If trouble persists, pause runs, document the issue, and run a controlled test batch before fulfilling more orders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.